on the day when my child buried. Remember, I appreciate my husband. And
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Kissy Unstoppable. So, guys, you don't know, say Queenie and Dewey in the spotlight for the longest while now. So, Queenie, the video here is all about Queenie. She getting emotional because Dewey say him not come back to England. So, Queenie I say Dewey not appreciate her and all them something there, but she still a fight for her marriage. So, I'm going to go over and listen to what Queenie have to say. You don't know me love Queenie already. Big up yourself, Queenie, but a full time you do you right now. You understand? You put out too much for somebody who not care about you. But Queenie, big up yourself. Woman power, we say. So guys, let's go over and listen to what Queenie have to say. But remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put on the post notifications. So let's go over right now.
fight and put all of the things that him do me aside. So it becomes a yam head because him a do the action and me react on it, then I forgive him. But all is not lost because I still have that beautiful story. The same day my daughter bury and the same day my husband get visa. That's power. So you have to use the negative and counteract the positive. And it's hard to say my husband can't come back from my daughter because it's a different love, it's a different bond, it's a different feelings. But the companion where me expect me that for have to better for worse stick her thing, I feel let down because I doesn't have a companion. So when me see him with other people, me get jealous, it's truth. And me not go strong as son and pretend me not jealous of the people them, you know. More than mind my husband get rich and get the hit song them. Me not jealous of Dewey career, you know. Me jealous of Dewey. And that's a fact. I am jealous of Dewey because Dewey don't count me. Him don't involve me in a way, my do. I'm involve him in everything, anything, all things. So I feel some type of way I say, but your husband not rate you. Him not count you, him not care about you. So you try every time. I say, no. Miracle that man him reach out Jamaica, England. Give up, don't give up, Queenie. Fight for him. He said, me see the man not count me over and over again. But just say, no, I love somebody set them free. So I just set him free. So every day you see my banter him and something. I love my husband see me. I just jealous him dump me. And him not involve me in a way I do because me and him becomes a brand. So that is what the people them know me and him. So I see him take himself from that and separate from him. I feel away I'm not alive. But me just try keep it pan a knife, mellow. But remember, you know, me is a thinker, and some of them say think me. I say, fuck, blood clot that. So then I say, I think can do that. Jamaica enjoy himself. I palaver with him friend them and put him friend them in front of me. If anything happen, I'm a talk. I'm a friend them. You know I'm not a friend, but your wife is your wife for life. So you should know what you can put your foot down for. Anything at all, the man give me the wrong. All when him go, they go do wrong. Him give me the wrong. And then him vex and doesn't speak to me. And when you not speak to me, 3 days I stay silent. But 4 days, I go feel like say you not come. I go come by Instagram, come talk. So this is the man where I draw me out silently because I do not have a husband where him say me 2 hours calm down or 2 days calm down. When me I wait 3 days, I say, alright, I go sleep and get over tonight. Wake up tomorrow and say, alright, I go sleep tomorrow. But it getting behind the joke because really for a fact, me not have a husband. If anything, him go to a third party. Be a third party. Anything when me talk about my husband, him know it. So him can't say I go behind him back, go chat him and tell people things because I say it in front of him face. When him vex, shut down and get selfish and not talk to me now, then me go come by internet because me not keep nothing in a blood clot, me I'm mad. So when I get the livers at it, if my husband did not stand by me, like how me get 100 people for keep me, now ask him if he ever get a meeting. Never. Never. Him never get one somebody for say talk to Queenie. Him more go to them and say what Queenie do. You hear my wife say this, but him not get no meeting. I'm try me. I say, no, Queenie. Yeah, girl, if a man make him go on about him business, the man no want to be with me, period. The man don't care about nothing. The man not count me. The man tell him friend in the car the last time in October, say, oh, me not fight for no marriage in my dog. I say, what? I'm going to swallow all of them there and still try. I'm glad him down at Jamaica. And then I see me come up left him. You think normally me that come up left my husband? I thick and thin with me and him, but when there is time to call up yonder, there is time to... And the roll is call up yonder. I miss Dewey, so till I get Clyde and missing Dewey. You understand me? Me can't live such a blood clot. Me too old for that. I miss my husband so till I get Clyde and missing my husband. Me can't, like, me not have no more hopes and no more. Me plan pan do it so till do it. Let me down, like me there so now, me say, him a go make it better, man. Him a go sort it out. And you could have bet pan do it to rascal. Everything you say about do it like the dirty disgrace. Him just prove you. People say this about him sit down and do it. And then no matter you say, do it the same thing the people them say you go do. It turn him, man. So what me do? Me just I do me. Me single. Me separated. Me don't have a husband. Me and my husband separated. Cause me not believe in a married life and you that start run up and down. Me don't know where you when you ready to tell me any lie, any foolishness, I'ma accept it. But that's long. I don't know this man. This is not the man when me married to. This is another Dewey and Scarlett. When Dewey said to me, say, I'm going to marry to me. I say, what? Him say, you know I'm married. Shut up your mouth, man. I tell him I'm married to you. And I say, God, no. And say, look, for when me hear I say I'm married, then me I'm married to you. And this man. So all them things that me I live off I see him, you know. I'ma feel big and bad about me not take no blood clot, man. One man diss me and one man done me and don't want me, but me not take 10, man. That make me feel big and bad. You understand? Crazy, so crazy. Crazy, never lazy. Queen lady gangster. That'll come out tomorrow. That is right. Social media influence. Yeah, man. You know, go and big up on yourself. I'm going to make the funeral. And as I said, Raya crazies. I not burn no judgment for my husband, but him hurt me again. And him take himself from me, so I'm going to make little trouble. But away from that, me alright. I'm not stressed out. I'm not depressed. I'm positive towards it, if that makes sense. I have a spirit positive. Because them say you love somebody, you set them free. And then, when me saw my hard, I try and put too much time into this man. And him not take one page out of it say, no, this woman pull a lot of weight for me. Put away material things. Just my valuable time. For dead if I stand by him and support him. When I look at all of this, I say the man not care me. I say, no, Queenie. So you don't love nobody more than yourself. You understand? I'm crazy, never lazy, but me never love nobody more than my blood clot self. That me have to tell you. So that alone. In the hard road. But happy spirit keep me alive. It's alright being single. And next thing, because I have my husband, I might out there and cussy. But me not say nothing for discriminate him or implicate him in certain ways. Remember, me an artist. So enough time I want to sing certain things, but I still have to consider my husband. Like the suck, put your pussy in your mouth. I wanted to sing a song like that for the longest time. But my husband, I have to take him in consideration. So that's what I see them say. Him do that, Mr. Say, I'm not count me. Everybody I tell him, a controversy. I say, like how you use save money in a song, when you have the video shoot. I said, no. Your lifestyle of living and doing this song. Some people sing song just for trend, for the fags that we are going. But me and you as a natural couple, we have to sing natural music, and that turn on the girl him. Since me see him not doing no music with me, my whole grudge against him. I not lie, I not ask uno for ask me. Me I tell you no. Me whole grudge against Dewey, not the music. Cause I love him music. And I'm a husband, so anything him sing, all if I fuck him, I back him. But where him is concerned, my whole grudge against him. Me don't know if you don't understand what I mean. My whole grunge against do it for me and do it build a brand new. And me and do it be one of the biggest band and do it undermine me and turn it from me. So, we just allow him by the grace of God. So, back to the song now. With all of my journey and something, I've been complaining for the longest while. So the man them allowed to do slackness about woman, discriminate, we disintegrate, we do all sort, and we accept it. And then the woman them can't find the guts or the tolerance to say something back about the guys. And I think it's getting behind the joke. So it's because me full of chat, and me not take it back, and me can back that. Me I say, fuck that. Me I represent for the girl. I mean, a woman every man come out, a woman every woman come out. So at the end of a good day, yes, you no plant, you no cocky seed and baby grow. But how we feel the pain, how we carry the baby, we belly stretch out, we belly marky, we titty stretch out, we titty them get saggy, and no respect to us. It's, you like can sing, and using a cocky, you can't fart in our mouth, you can't fart in our blood clot eye. And we not lie in our blood clot. Tell my husband touch my can, it sweet me, see. You know, count me, I count your mama bumbo clot, a song. No controversy, you know, say. As Queenie loud man a controversy, yes, alright. And a loud woman a controversy. You understand me? Tit for blood clot that. That. Controversy. So me ask, you know, if you don't want it becomes a song, I don't have to vote for it, you know. Because that is not a song, you know, that is just a little scratch word. Nursery rhyme. Yeah. Lord God, my two sons, them still there at Jamaica. Escada, I miss SKC. Hey, my two sons, what you man nearly kill herself? Lady, careful. Yeah. I don't have vote for your song. I don't have vote for your remix. I'm afraid. Hey, you know, that's some little idiot. And you can't have the big bad queen at back on girl power. And you don't have to send nothing out on them out, you know. A woman around the world, you know. A woman buy music, you know. More woman in the world, more than man, you know. Because the man, them, do much in trouble and they are prison more than woman, you know. Ladies, listen to me. Support the girl movement. We are overthrow the dirty man them in a dance hall. We are singing all like dirtiness, boy. Yes, sometimes we sing it because of fashion. But when them do all the little things, them you look back into yourself and I say, woman, them are wear one and me two as one and that's still, you know. Remix. Bumbo clat. A lie. Remix, please. Pussy clat. Suki burning. No, man. A true man. And if you record me for the song and say, Queenie, truth. Myself, from before me there with my husband, I've been taking in these DJ from before me turn artist. Yeah. You say all the one who a Rasta man sing, let me tell you which song, me nah mad over no girl. She could have pretty like money. Me nah mad over, me no controversy, I will love it, you know. The girl and I say, when if I'm mad over blood clot woman and respect woman, what the fuck you mean by you not mad over no girl? But girl for mad over on you understand? So I just show the worthlessness of man and the way they value us in their music. Because when them do a music for cock up and put them cock in your mouth and piss in it, them in want cock it and put my pussy in my mouth and piss back in that blood clot, golden piss in your mouth, boy. You understand me? So it's getting behind the joke, so I won't take it for a fucking coat. You understand me? Fuck that. I mean, represent for the lady. So the eat is hand. Come, remix. See that remix? Manpower. You can't go away with manpower. Man are not consistent. Manpower them cocky. You see, our power is with brains. We think. We organize. You understand me? Before so we overthink and overdo. Man, the first thing them I think I figure man, woman money. Them not have no blood clot confidence. Some of them money, if them not get woman money, them not get no money. If them not have things to get my woman, them can't get woman naturally. Them not have money on the use and buying woman. And then the woman them I read. Some of them no want the man. I just the sweet so them love. Because enough girl not independent. And through them not independent, them rely upon man for the thing. Me don't rely upon no man. And you hear me tell them say, from me a little bit. From a little bit. And me and God alone. Me know you